Hi guys, welcome to Midnight Kitchen. So today we're gonna make a really easy recipe. It is cauliflower tacos. So the following ingredients that I will be using for this recipe are tortillas. You need tortillas. You can use flour or corn tortillas. Pardon my nails. You need an onion. You need taco seasoning. You can use any taco seasoning of your choice. Avocado. You need avocado. I say aguacate. You need cilantro. Ooh, just cilantro. You need a cauliflower head. Those are this head. And I'm gonna be using some chipotle. I use spices like onion powder, different powders, garlic powders. So obviously use spices that you have in your kitchen. Okay, so now here I have a pot of water with a little bit of water, just a tiny bit. I will be steaming our cauliflower so it can cook fast. So I will be starting off by just cutting boneless chicken wing. So this is perfect. And you have to be careful when you're going to be cooking it. You don't want to overcook these because they will become really tender and can fall apart easily. So I will just be giving this a quick rinse. Alright, so now I have washed these and rinsed them. So now we're going to add these to the pot over here. So just be careful. Drop them in gently. And then put the lid so they can steam. I will add a little bit of salt. Okay. Where's my salt? Different measurement. Alright guys, so now I'm going to make the sauce to coat the cauliflower in. So I chopped up my onions and then that's part one. And then next step is I'm going to get some chipotles that I showed you earlier. So chipotle can be spicy, so be careful. I'm going to use about 2 for my cauliflower head. Okay. And then just 2, okay? I will be cutting these up. I was going to put them in the blender, but it's okay. I'm just going to chop them up here. And there you go. So I'm gonna saute both of these things together. So over here I do have a small saucepan. I'll be adding a little bit of grapeseed oil and just enough to saute my onions. So I do have it set to medium heat. And then remember, be careful, you don't want to overcook it. I see that it's starting slowly to cook. You can tell here that it's starting to get soft here. Just right away I will stop cooking this. I'm going to turn it off and then I will put it on a strainer and let it cool. Going back here, and this will be a sauce that we're making. So we're going to saute the onion and the chipotle together. You will need some water just to get a little sauce, make a sauce. And this is where you'll also be using the taco seasoning. So I do have this package of taco seasoning. I will be using about half of this, not all of it. So I'm gonna get about like half a cup of water, eyeball it. And I'm gonna, once my onions are caramelized, I will be adding the water. So I just want them to steam, get caramelized, get those flavors going on. Look at this beautiful creation over here that's turning red. Yummy. This, okay. Use a little bit of this Larry's here. A little bit of this onion powder and garlic powder. Look at that, give it that little powdery in my water. Okay. Just let it simmer a little, and then while this is going on, I'm going to be adding my taco mix, taco seasoning. Orange color. Throw something like that. It's going to be really good. So now I'll be adding my cauliflower into this. Okay. And I haven't taste test this teeny tiny little piece. Come on, little one. How is it, baby? Spicy?
I think it's good. Right track for sure.
Yes. I'm gonna turn this off after just leaving there for like about 1 minute, you know. I'm gonna turn it out and we're gonna put it in the air fryer. On this air fryer, as you can tell, it has little like different degrees of heat.
Oh, degree adjustments.
So I'm gonna use 400, and then here is how long you want to leave it cooking, like 0 to 5 minutes. Well, so I'm gonna pop that in.
That's short.
5 minutes for now, and then I'll check on it. There. So now let's check. See how the back turned? Be careful, it's hot, it's steamed. You don't want to burn yourself. All that steam, it's really hot. And I'm just gonna, here's in here. Woo, be careful. We have 3 cooked tortillas. It looks interesting.
Feel them. Yeah, that's what you want to do, is feel them.
It feels crispier. Be careful.
Yeah?
Okay.
What do you think?
I think it's ready. Just a little bit.
Yeah, we're not trying to get them like totally like, crunchy nuggets.
No.
Just a little crispy edge, right?
Yes. So I will be taking a little bit of the cilantro and just cutting a little bit of the tip and rinsing it really fast so you don't have to see that. So I'm just gonna chop off the cilantro like that. Be careful with your fingers. And avocado. It looks fresh. You can tell because of this. Another little tip. Okay, and then just cut it like that. Just put these little squares out. Okay, a little bit of the cilantro. Some of these avocados in there. See? And then this will be for my husband. Okay, oh my gosh. How is it, honey? You like it or what?
Wow.
Wow.
That's refreshing.
Yeah?
Yes, it's good.
Uh-huh.
And it's very refreshing tasting.
Ooh.
Very summery, I feel like.
Nice. Well, I'm glad you liked it, honey.
Mmm.
Alright. That was a hit, you guys. Alright, guys. So thank you for watching Midnight Kitchen. I hope you guys follow the recipe. You know, spice it up like however you want, if you want. And thank you so much for watching. Have a great night. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to click that like button. And please subscribe. And also, subscribing doesn't really matter a lot anymore. Still subscribe. If you want to know when I'm going to make more videos, you want to know right away, I need to get on that train. Don't forget to hit the bell button to get notifications right away. Go do that now.